Hello students, concept time for active math 4th class, lead app book, subtraction of numbers up to 6 digits. Let us now learn how to subtract large numbers. Solved example 9, 4887 minus 1298 is equal to dash. Answer step 1, step 2, write the menu end and the subtrahend in the correct places in a place value table, and then subtract the digits, regroup it. Step 3, subtract the digits in the tens place, regroup if needed. Step 4, subtract the remaining digits from right to left, regroup if needed. So the answer is 4887 minus 1298 is equal to 3589. Addition and subtraction of large numbers SB-10. Verify your answer. If the sum of the difference and the subtrahend is equal to the minus end, your answer is correct. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minus end. Let's think, read and tick right mark the events where you can use subtraction. First one, Farida writes 2468 words on Monday. She writes 1435 words on Tuesday. How many fewer words did she write on Tuesday than on Monday? We can subtract this question. Second one, 3278 people visited a zoo on Sunday and 1972 people visited it on Monday. How many people visited the zoo in all? This question we can add the numbers digits but not subtract. Third one, in January a bookstore sold 48,235 books. In February, 1,654 fewer books were sold than in January. How many books were sold in February? This can also be subtract. Solved example 10. 13,956 minus 11,487 is equal to 25,443. Answer, write the digits in their place value table and solve the problem. So the answer is 13,956 minus 11,487 is equal to 2,469. Solved example 11. 3,76,109 minus 1,45,324. We write the place value, draw the place value table and write the digits and solve the problem. The answer is 2,30,785. Addition and subtraction of large numbers SB-11. Watch out. Remember to regroup when the top digit is smaller than the bottom digit. First one is incorrect answer. From 5,468 we subtract 4,319. Correct answer is second one, 1,149. More problems on subtraction. Let us now learn how to subtract more than two numbers. Solved example 12. 37,293 minus 17,383 minus 8,945. Let's think, can we change the order of numbers in subtraction? Answer, we will solve this problem in two steps, step 1 and step 2. So the answer is 37,293 minus 17,383 minus 8,945 is equal to 10,965. Solved example 13. Find the missing number. 1,238 plus dash is equal to 10,000. Answer, from the model we can rewrite the problem as 10,000 minus 1,238 is equal to dash. Let's discuss. Rama wants to calculate 10,000 minus 5,375. Rama, she thinks that if she rewrites the problem as 9,999 minus 5,374, it will be easier to solve. Do you agree with Rama? 10,000 minus 5,375 is equal to 4,625. 9,999 minus 5,374 is equal to 4,625. Use the same strategy to calculate. 1 lakh minus 32,368. Here the digits are put in a place value table and solve the problem. So 10,000 minus 1,238 is equal to 8,762, or 1,238 plus 8,762 is equal to 10,000. Addition and subtraction of large numbers SB-12. Practice question number 4, 4.1. Solve the following. A. 9,439 minus 1,314 is equal to 8,125. Put the digits 9,439 and 1,314 in a place value table and subtract it. When we solve the problem, we get answer 8,125. From 9 we subtract 4, from 3 we subtract 1, and from 4 3, from 9 1. B. 6805 minus 2163 is equal to 4642. Question number C. 59,068 minus 1,247 is equal to 57,821. D. 34,714 minus 23,705 is equal to 11,009. Number A. 3,42,004 minus 2,22,041 is equal to 3,19,763. Question number F, 9,21,287 minus 6,44,280 is equal to 2,77,007. Number G, 7,04,273 minus 4,33,579 is equal to 2,70,694. Number H, 1 lakh minus 3,24,048 is equal to 67,552. Question number I, 9 lakh minus 5 lakhs 37,928 is equal to 3,62,072. Four point two, solve the following and use addition to verify the answer. A, 3,926 minus 1,784 is equal to dash. We put the digits in a place value table and subtract it. We get the answer 2142. And then write like this: 3926 minus 1784 is equal to 2142. 3926 is equal to 2142. When we write the digits to the right, the minus become plus 1784. Then we can verify both are same. 3926 is equal to 3926. B. 8052 minus 1635 is equal to 6417. We put the digits in a place value table and subtract it. Then we get the answer 6417, and then we verify like this. Question number C. 9654 minus 2476 is equal to 7178. Question number D. 91283 minus 44780 is equal to 46503. Number E. 54 5,42,390 minus 27,447 is equal to 5,14,943. Question number F. 9,10,243 minus 32,048 is equal to 8,78,195. Four point three. Match the following subtraction statements with the correct difference. First one, 6,34,711 minus 6,16,052. We get the answer 18,659. Second one, 31,134 minus 22,452. We get the answer 8,682. Third one, 6,387 minus 1,302. We get the answer 5,085. Fourth one, 1,28,832 minus 91,740. 37,092. Fifth one, 92,674 minus 4,344. 88,330. 4.4. Solve the following. A. 3,456 plus 8,901 minus 7,865 is equal to 4,492. First we add the numbers and then we subtract. First we add 3,456 plus 8,901. Then we get the answer 12,357. To this we subtract 7,865. We get the answer 4,492. Question number B, 2,345 plus dash is equal to 19,568. Then we get the answer 17,223. Question number C, 8,900 plus 7,865 minus 4,568 is equal to 12,197. First we add 8,900 plus 7,865. Then we get the answer 16,765. From this we subtract 4,568. Then we get the answer 12,197. Question number D. Dash plus 54,235 is equal to 1,42,379. Question number E. 6,789 minus 1,235 minus 345 is equal to 5,210. First we subtract 1,235 from 6,789. Then we get the answer 5,555. And then from this we subtract 345. We get the answer 5,210. For F dash plus 1,847 is equal to 10,000. Answer is 8,153. Or in dash we put x plus 1,847 is equal to 10,000. X is equal to 10,000 minus 1,847. X is equal to 8,153. 2.5. Solve the following questions. A. Subtract 43,824 from the sum of 37,282 and 48,392. Solve sum of numbers 37,282 plus 48,392 is equal to 85,674. Question number B. Find the difference between the largest and the smallest 6-digit numbers formed using these digits 804545. Largest 6-digit numbers from these 6 numbers 5,55,440. Smallest 6-digit numbers 4,04,558. Difference between these numbers 8,55,440 minus 4,04,558 is equal to 4,50,882. Number C. What can be added to 23,768 to get 1 lakh? Solve 23,768 plus x is equal to 1 lakh. X is equal to 1 lakh minus 23,768. X is equal to 76,232. Question number D. What should be subtracted from 78,945 to get 22,308? Solve. 78,945 minus x is equal to 2,308. When we solve this problem, we get the answer 76,637. Four 4.6. Find the missing digits. 50,089 minus 23,958 is equal to 26,131. B. 84,567 minus 63,458. Answer is 21,109.